The Brave Boy and the Magical Watchin. A small village lived a young boy named Bahadur. He was a very smart and hard-working child. One day he found a shiny object in the forest. It was an old watch. The watch had strange, mysterious symbols on it. As soon as Bahadur picked up the watch, it rang loudly. Ding, ding, ding. A bright light emerged and a genie appeared before him. "Thank you," said the genie. "You have freed me from this ancient magical watch. In return, I will grant you 3 wishes." Bahadur was astonished. He thought for a moment and said, "My first wish is for our village to always have sweet, fresh water." The genie nodded his head. "It is done. My second wish is for our fields to be green and prosperous in every season." "It is done." The genie nodded again. "And my third wish," said Bahadur, "is for every child in my village to get the opportunity to read and write." The genie smiled. "All 3 of your wishes are granted. You ask for nothing for yourself, but everything for everyone else. This will be your greatest happiness of all." From that day on, the village always had sweet water, the fields flourished, and every child learned to read and write. All the people were happy and prosperous. And Bahadur earned the sincere respect of everyone for his selflessness and wisdom.